Good morning, students. We are back again with HTML. Today we will learn the formatting the text in HTML. Initially, you have created the web page which was just black and white without formatting. Now today you will be learning how to make the text bold, italic, underline and so on. So let us begin. In the notepad, we have already written the text. You know about the commands. HTML is case insensitive. It hardly matters whether I am writing the commands in capital letters or small letters. And the tags or elements are enclosed in which brackets? Angular brackets. So HTML, head, title. In the title tag, whatever we are typing will appear on the where it is appearing on the title bar of the web page. These tags are the container tags. They have starting as well as the ending. Now if I want to change the background color of the page, by default the background color is white and text color is blue. But we can change the background color of the web page. How? With the help of attribute bgcolor. bgcolor. Here you can see there is no space between bg and color. It is one word. So bgcolor is an attribute of which tag? Body tag. And it is used to change the color of background. Here you can give any color, name of any color, or even you can give the codes in hexadecimal format. And they should be enclosed in double quotes. So background color I want aqua, but by default the color of the text was black. But now here you can see the color of the text is different. It is blue in color. So to change the color of the text of the web page, which attribute is used? Text attribute. Text is equals to blue. Same, I have enclosed it in double quotes. Now you already know there are 6 heading styles. It is from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest, H6 is the smallest. So here you can see the heading formatting the text. Here you can see the big formatting the text and it is center align. So I want to place the heading in the center of the web page. So which attribute to change the alignment? It is align. So we have to write H1 align equal to center. Whatever text we are writing inside the head tag will appear here in the heading style 1. Now you know the meaning of bold, italic, underline, but how to achieve this or how to use this in HTML, which codes or which tags are used, just let us learn. It is easy. Bold, B-O-L-D, bold. Bold starts with B, so B is for bold tag. So B is a container tag. It has starting also, and here you can see it is the ending also. In between the bold tag, I have written input device. So input device will appear in bold. Here you can see the output, input device. Input device is in bold. It is not in the normal text, it is in the bold formatting. Now next is BR tag. What is BR tag? We have already done. It is the empty tag. It is used to change the line. So after input device, what we have? Keyboard. And keyboard is appearing as italics. So for italics, we have used I tag. Here it is. I is for italics. B is for bold. So keyboard we have written inside the I tag. So in the next line, why next line? Because we have used BR tag. So keyboard will appear on the next line and it will be italic. Here you can see mouse is underlined. Okay. So when I have to underline the things, what I have to do? U tag. U tag is for underlining. So mouse is enclosed in the U tag So it is underlined. Now sometimes in mathematics you are using the formula a square plus b square and so on. To just type these types of formulas or use these types of formulas in a web page, it is little bit difficult. A square plus b square. Now here you can see a square. This 2 is above the baseline and it is smaller in size. In chemical formulas or equations, you are using this H2O, CO2, SO4 and so on. These numbers here, they are below the baseline. So whatever is above the baseline is the superscript. Whatever is below the baseline is subscript. So whenever I want superscript, super means upper, above, above the baseline. So we are using super, S-U-P. Super, S-U-P is for super. A is the normal text. 2, I want above the baseline. So A square plus B square. I want only 2 above the baseline. So I enclose only 2 in the SUP tag. B is the normal text plus B. A square plus B square. So plus B is appearing as the normal text. Here you can see B square. 2 is again B square. 2 is again in the superscript. So SUP tag is used. Now the next is sub. Sub means niche, below the baseline. H2O I want to write. H and O. Here you can see H and O are the normal text, but 2 will appear below the baseline. So we have used SUB. SUB is for subscript tag. Now sometimes you see strike through. Suppose there is a sale. Here you can see the original cost is of any product is 1999. But here can you see this? It is cut. There is a line in between the text. This is strike through. Now the new price is 999. So for the product, instead of 1999, how much we have to pay? 999. So we have to just cut it. We want to just show a line between the text. This is known as strike through. How to achieve this? Here you have strike. Sale. Sale is the normal word. It is not strike through. Here you have written strike. 1999 is enclosed in the strike tag. So a line appears in between the text. Now purchase at 999 is a normal text. After that you have given the BR tag to change the line. Now once again bold, output device, this is the normal text which appears in the bold. Now the different thing, with the help of text attribute, here once again I will show you. By default, the color of the text is black. I don't want black. What I want? I want to change the color of the text to blue. So complete text will appear in the blue in color. Here you can see on the web page, all the texts are in blue in color. But sometimes we require or highlight some words or some lines. I want them to appear in different color. Only one word or only one line, not the complete text. Or I want to change the size. I want to change the font. Why that same boring font again and again? For that, we have one tag that is font. So font is a tag which is taking 3 attributes. Here you can see face, size, color. Now face attribute is used to change the change the font of the text. By default it is Times New Roman, but I want to change the writing style, that is font. I want it to appear in monotype cursive. So printer, here you can see printer is enclosed in the font tag with the attribute face, which is monotype cursive. Here you can see Just check out the difference in the font. Isn't it different? Isn't it looking nice? So this way you can format the web page beautifully. So if I want to change the size, can you see the difference between the size? Here I have written monitor. Output devices are printer, monitor, plotter. Here you can see printer appears in the monotype cursive font. Size 7. Here size attribute takes the values between 1 to 7. 1 is the smallest size, 7 is the largest size. If I want to change the color of the particular word or the particular line or the paragraph, then I have to use font. Which attribute? Color attribute. And what is the spelling of color? C-O-L-O-R. So font color is equals to red. And I have written plotter. Close the font tag. Can you see the plotter is in red in color? This way we can format the web page. So here we finish with the formatting of the web page.